Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, August 21. Time is around 5:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So this weekend I changed my count. Here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and now I chose to put a scenario on the charts where our wave one high in the higher degree is in here, and also a scenario that assumes that we will have another wave, or that we should have a wave 5 to the upside, and that our wave 1 will be finished here. Yeah, but I think the truth is, like, from here, a lot of scenarios are possible. I can come up with a lot of counts. It depends a bit what we do now from here or from here. So let me explain. So let's start with the scenario in green, which we will call the bearish one. Bearish in the sense that our wave one in the higher degree is in here. So that would mean, like, if we zoom out, if we go to the daily, if our wave one is in here, we should have some kind of correction to the downside, like this here, this wave two. So we should go into this area, and then we should go for now. I chose to go as a WXY structure, because if we look at this, it looks like we are moving in three waves, but of course then this can still become like an A, B, C, like this. If this becomes something impulsive to the downside, that's why I'm saying that a lot of counts are possible depending on what we do from here. If this would develop as something impulsive to the downside, then this would be wave one, two, wave three, four, five. This can be your A, then B, and then C down. If we keep moving like we are doing now, then it would rather be in WXY. And if we would have a successful rally to the upside, then it's again something else. So I'm curious about the price action we will get from here. Yeah, we need some more clarity, I believe. But I wanted to put this scenario on the charts, because if you look at like from a higher time frame perspective, everything is actually here to have a mature wave one to the upside. We have enough swings. We have our 5 swings. We have divergence. So that's why we should start to consider this, especially after the recent bearishness we had in the DAX. I want to put this on my charts, not to be surprised if we really get this wave two from this wave two here. So that's one scenario. The scenario in green, wave one in. We are doing the wave two to the downside. For now, I would go for a WXY, but it can also become an ABC, depending if this becomes impulsive or not. And then so the first area in this scenario to look out for is this scenario, is this area here, I believe. So for now, it looks like this is an A, B, C. So maybe let's go to the 1 hour. So what could happen? Like from here, I would count this as an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks good. Then expanded flat as a wave B, A, B, C. So then we have wave A, wave B. So now we are working on this wave C. So where should this wave C end? If we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the destination for our wave C. Now, if I look at the internals of this wave C here, yeah, here we actually already have enough swings. We do not end with divergence, so it is better to assume that we make another low, but like this kind of patterns I've already seen, like as an like a mature ending diagonal. So it could be that we do not reach this this area. Like from here, I would like to go long again, but it could be that we do not reach this area. That the low is in here. We also have some kind of area from where we can expect upside. Like if we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then we come into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And from here we had, reaction to the upside. We hit the lower boundary and we go up from here. But okay, like if I want to trade this, then what I will assume is that we do something like this. So 1, 2, this is our 3, 4, then 5 into this area, and from here long again. Of course, if we move up from here, if we do not take out this this low, then we can have again other scenarios. Like then it might even be the case that that I have to switch to a scenario that I had last week, that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and that we now have our wave 3 to the upside. This can also be then a running flat, 1, 2, 3, wave A, wave B, wave no, I would not go for the scenario of a running flat. I'm sorry. Then I would do this as a wave 2 if we do not take out this this low here. So yeah. So I would wait till we reach this this area here to go long. This is what I'm looking for now, along from here, from this area, because it's actually also supported by a bearish count. I mean bullish. Like the alternative scenario here in red shows that this here is an expanded flat, that we have our wave 4 here, that we still have to make our wave 4, so that our wave 4 was not in here, but will be in here. And then we have an expanded flat, so 1, 2, 3, something corrective here as a wave B. And then what we should get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this area. So therefore, a low from a long from here also seems like a good idea. Now the difference is that if we get the expanded flat structure, I would expect that yeah, we can go deeper into this area if we get here just the like the ABC correction, then I think we yeah, we will only reach like the let's say the upper boundary here of this area. Therefore, like if you want to have a good entry, yeah, I think it will really be a matter of analyzing the lower time frame here, like even on the 15 minutes, and see if you get some kind of impulse down that ends with divergence, which could be like your final wave 5. So let's assume we have now something messy as a wave 4, and then an impulse down again in 5 waves. So if you want to optimize your entry level, then I think analysis on the lower time frame will be necessary. Like in the 15 minutes, looking for an impulse down from here, ending with divergence, because in the green scenario, I would expect that your that the wave C can end somewhere here, like just below, for instance, this wave 3, or just taking out this low here and going up again. While the wave C in red, I would expect will be more, will go deeper into this area, because then it becomes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think going long from this area is a good idea, but the execution will be yeah, can be different. Or we get a little bit more downside as a wave C, or we go deeper into this area as a wave C. But therefore, we now need more data. So this is my idea for today with the DAX, along somewhere from here. And yeah, is there already a possibility for a short? Not really. I think downside from here can be limited if we have the green wave C. We can go a bit more deeper if we have the red wave C, but yeah, for me this is not really reliable enough. Yeah, for a short from here, it can even be that wave C is already, yeah, is almost in, so I will not go short anymore from here. However, like this is not on the chart yet, but like I said, if the down movement continues, like yeah, we cannot exclude that this becomes a wave 8 to the downside, as a 1, 2, and just the impulse to the downside just continues like this as a wave 3. This is something that is possible if, yeah, if the high is really in here. We can do an A, B, C, and then we need an impulse to the downside here. So that's why I also advise to, if you want to take this long from here, to do really analysis on the lower time frame, because yeah, potentially it can also be a wave 3 to the downside. So yeah, it's again important to protect your trade early if you enter, and try to optimize the entry as good as possible. Analysis on the lower time frame. Yeah, so this is what I see for today. I know we can go. I mean, we have a lot of possibilities from here, but yeah, I have to say, like it is, I see really a lot of counts in this structure. So if you don't feel comfortable, another another approach is just to wait for a bit more data, so we get something more reliable. Because like from here, it looks like we can do many things. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.